Hello class, this is Mike Nolan, and this is my week 2 multimedia discussion board. So the program I've selected is the HART program. HART stands for Homeless Evaluation Assessment Response Team. This is a program that was designed by the City of Santa Ana and is operated by the Santa Ana Police Department. The program focuses exclusively on homelessness and transitioning homeless individuals from homelessness to transitional housing and ultimately to permanent housing. The Santa Ana Police Department's HART program is staffed by approximately 10 to 15 officers given the current staffing levels, and each year the program operates on a grant from the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. The city receives a $400,000 grant from HUD, and last year in 2017 the Santa Ana Police Department, specifically the HART program, used $51,880 of that budget. In 2017, the total documented homeless population within the city of Santa Ana was approximately 1,000, with 466 of that homeless population being unsheltered and 534 of that population being sheltered. As you can see by the chart, Santa Ana's homeless population is divided almost equally between sleeping locations, with 53% of Santa Ana's homeless population living in some sort of transitional housing or sheltering, and the remaining 47% living in non-traditional or transitional housing in areas that are not designated for human habitation. So as for the variables, the dependent variable is homelessness in the city of Santa Ana. This is defined as an interval ratio variable because the order and the differences between the levels of the variable do matter, but they're not in a ratio. Homelessness within the city of Santa Ana is defined as being without permanent residence. So this also includes, as we mentioned earlier, those that are in transitional or non-permanent housing. For the two independent variables, the first one that I selected is the program, which is the Santa Ana Police Department HART program. This is an independent variable. It is also considered an interval ratio, and the program is defined by those receiving services or benefit from the program. So whether that is transitional housing or permanent placement, that is how I'm considering participation in the program, is receiving any sort of benefit from the actual program, which may not always be permanent or transitional housing. It could just be a temporary placement in a shelter for the evening. The second independent variable is homeless males within the city of Santa Ana. This is nominal. It's nominal because it's defined as a non-numeric and the numbers have no value. We're identifying gender, and gender is defined as males who participated in the survey who defined or identified themselves as being male. Alright, well that makes up my presentation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to watching your presentations and learning from you guys as well. Thank you.